Hearty welcome. Lovely to be together once again. Dear friends, we'll begin with a prayer. Thank you, Lord. We want to thank you, Lord. Friends, our God is the ultimate owner of everything. We must thank God for all that He has done for the betterment of our lives, for protecting us, for giving us everything that we need, gift of our family members, our relatives and friends. What we are is God's gift to us, and what we become is our gift to God. Come on, try to be a wonderful, marvelous gift of God by performing our duties regularly. Let's start doing activities on a teenager's prayer and basket full of moonlight.
Question 1. Read the following extract from the poem and do the activities. Friends, there are altogether 3 activities. A1, then the extract from the poem will be given, followed by A2 and A3. Let's start. Together we read A1. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. A. According to the poet, dash are brought by each new day. 2 alternatives are given, new beginnings or new endings. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to great distress or great success. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is, in the bracket, might or right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash years of his life, worst or best. Let's read the poem together. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Friends, only after careful reading of the poem, we must start writing the answers. A. According to the poet, dash. What is the answer? New beginnings or new endings? Yes, new beginnings are brought by each new day. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to great सक्सेस. व्हेरी राईट. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथे बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेत हा प्रश्न असाही येऊ शकेल. बघा नीट आहे का? वी मस्ट नॉट डिसाइड टू टेक द रोड विच लीड्स टू. बघा नॉट आलेला आहे आणि आपण कोणता मार्ग निवडणार नाही, जो ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेसकडे जाणार आहे. येस, मग जेव्हा वाक्यात we must not decide to take the road which leads to great distress. So that is why clear and careful reading is very important. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. D. The poet wants to see that His teenage years have been the best years of his life. See friends, first thing, before writing the answers, you have to check from the poem. And second thing, after writing the answers, you have to check the spellings, because if you make mistake while writing, you can lose your marks. A2. Complete the following web. The road of life leads to dash or dash. Yes, you know the answer. The road of life leads to great success or great distress. A3. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Friends, let's read the whole column A first and then column B, and then we can choose the correct answer. Column A, first line, decisions I must make. Second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Then, travel down the darkened road. Fourth line, I can choose to take the road of life. Now see column B, A apostrophe, B inversion, C metaphor, D alliteration. Now let's start matching the lines with the correct figure of speech. Decisions I must make. This is an unusual order. See, I, the subject, is in the middle of the line. So, this is an example of inversion. Second line, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Conversation with God. So, it is an example of apostrophe. Third line, travel down the darkened road. See, clear indication, the sound, that is the initial consonant sound, is repeated. So, it is an example of alliteration. And last one, I can choose to take the road of life. Here, it is an example of metaphor. Friends, activity A3 is based on poetic devices. So here we have two more examples of activity A3. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer, make, take, success, distress, see, me, way, day. Another example, add your own rhyming words in the following pairs. पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, here you are asked to write your own rhyming words. बघा, हे नीट समजून घ्या. इथे your own rhyming words म्हणजे तुम्हाला स्वतःला माहीत असलेल्या रायमिंग वर्ड्सची जोडी लिहायची आहे, जी दिलेल्या जोडीला पूर्णपणे मॅच होईल अशी जोडी निवडायची आहे. इथे पोएम मध्ये पाहून उत्तर लिहायचं नाही. सो लेट्स रीड फर्स्ट वन, मेक, टेक, लेक, डॅश. सेकंड, वे, डे, मे, डॅश. आन्सर, फर्स्ट वन, make, take, lake, cake, bake. Second, way, day, may, pay, lay. इथे तुम्ही स्वतः त्या जोडीला मॅच करणारे रायमिंग वर्ड्स लिहू शकता. Now we have another question on the same poem. Read the following extract from the poem and do the activities. B1. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. First one, the speaker in the poem is a teenager. Second, one should react to temptation by saying no. Third one, the poet wishes for his father's company in the walk of life. Last sentence, the poet wants to keep his body clean. Let's read the poem together. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Now, we will start writing answers. First, the speaker in the poem is a teenager. Yes, the answer is true. One should react to temptation by saying no. The answer is true. The poet wishes for his father's company in the walk of life. The answer is false, because the poet wishes for his God's company in the walk of life. And fourth one, the poet wants to keep his body clean. Yes, the answer is true. B2. Match the following. Column A. The poet prays to. Second line. The teenager has to choose. Third. If we do the right things. Fourth one. Doing evil things. Now let's read column B. We will be the best human beings. Second, will lead us to great distress. Third one, God. And fourth one, the road of his life. Now let's match. The poet prays to. Yes, the answer is God. Second one, the teenager has to choose the road of his life. Absolutely right answer. Third one, if we do the right things, we will be the best human beings. And last one, doing evil things will lead us to great distress. Have you understood? If we do the right things, we will be the best human beings. And doing evil things means wrong things, that will lead us to great distress. B3. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. A B B, A B C D, A B C B, A B B A. Yes, and correct answer is A B C B. Now friends, we'll begin the activities on Basket Full of Moonlight. Question 1. Read the following extract from the poem and do the activities. A1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. A. The child wants to sow small moons of light from dash. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of dash. C. The child wants a dash from the moon. D. Neither dash nor dash travels regularly on the route. Let's read the poem. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The root is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. Now we will answer activity A1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. A. The child wants to sow small moons of light from dash. Let's check it out in the stanza. From the city to my village on the sides of the path. See, the answer is clear. The child wants to sow small moons of light from the city to my village is there. So, you have to change it into his village. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of dash. See the stanza. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. So here we got the answer. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. See, the child wants a dash from the moon. Just check it out in the stanza. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full. So we got the answer. The child wants a basket full or two baskets full of moonlight from the moon. D. Neither dash nor dash travels regularly on the route. See the line, neither bus nor cart plies. Plies means travels regularly. So the answer will be neither bus nor cart travels regularly on the route. A2. Complete the following verb. The child wants to solve the problems of his village by. See friends, here ending word is by. So we can begin the answer using the ing form of verb. And here two boxes are given. So we have to write two solutions. Answer. The child wants to solve the problems of his village by, first one, sowing seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path. Second, lighting the dark route of his village. A3. Name the figures of speech used in the lines given below. 1. Small, small moons of light. Second one, neither bus nor cart plies. Now, see the answers. First one, small, small moons of light. Here, the word small is repeated twice. So, the figure of speech used in this line is repetition. Second one, neither bus nor cart plies. Which figure of speech is used here? Yes, it is an example of alliteration. Friends, here we have one homework activity for you that you have to solve. In our next class, we'll begin with this activity. So, together we read question number 2. Read the following extract from the poem and do the activities. B1. List the things the poet wants to listen. 2 things we have to write. Let's read the poem. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. B2. Complete the following verb. When the poet's father, returns home, he dash. When the poet's father goes back, he dash. B3. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. First one, dash root. Second one, dash morning. प्रिय विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्डची ॲक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजेच ॲडजेक्टिव्स आपल्या बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट ह्या पोएमच्या नेक्स्ट पेजवर दिलेली आहे.
Thank you so much for participating. In our next class, we'll learn how to make negative and affirmative sentences. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and study well. May God bless you all.